Nothing can make you feel quite as small and insignificant as learning about the cosmos. At the same time, taking a moment to appreciate the vastness of the universe can make you feel that just by existing, you are a part of something greater than yourself. Learning about space is not only fascinating, but it can really put things into perspective. If you're a lifelong space nerd, or even if you just need a mental reset, take a few minutes to read these interesting facts about space and ruminate on the enigmatic nature of our world. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on Earth. It can be difficult to wrap our heads around just how mind-bogglingly vast the universe is. Comparisons to Earth can help us appreciate, if not fully visualize, the universe's considerable size. In his 1980 best-selling book Cosmos, Carl Sagan famously claimed that there are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on Earth. More recently, a group of researchers at the University of Hawaii set out to confirm whether that is indeed the case. Rather than send an unfortunate intern to the beach to count sand grains for the rest of their life, they simplified matters by calculating how many grains of sand are in a teaspoon, then multiplying that by the approximate volume of all the beaches and deserts in the world, arriving at 7.5 by 1018 grains of sand, or 7 quintillion, 500 quadrillion grains. Meanwhile, the number of stars in the observable universe is said to number 70,000 million, according to a 2003 calculation. Of course, it's a very rough estimate, but using those unwieldy numbers, the researchers concluded that stars indeed outnumber sand grains. Consider that the average star is roughly the size of our sun, while a single sand grain is difficult to see with the naked eye, and you just might have an idea of the universe's incredible size. The oldest known star is around 14 billion years old. HD 140283 is colloquially known as the Methuselah star. Nicknamed for a biblical figure who was said to have died at the ripe old age of 969, Methuselah is the oldest star that has been observed to date. At 14.46 billion years old, it's believed to have formed not long after the Big Bang. In fact, it contains very little iron, since iron was not commonplace in the universe at the time of this star's birth. But wait, you might be wondering, how can a star be older than the universe itself? The universe is currently estimated to be 13.8 billion years old. Scientists had the same question, calling the anomaly the age paradox. After continuing to observe the speed at which Methuselah is traveling and fine-tune the calculations for its age, researchers determined that the star is indeed 14.46 billion years old, plus or minus 800 million years. That error margin does make the star's age compatible with the age of the universe, but just barely. It's possible that in the future, advances in the observation of stars, as well as a better understanding of the effects of dark energy, will further refine the ages of this star and the universe. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.